If you've never heard of Apple's medical ID feature, then you are in for some learning. Medical ID is a built in feature of your iPhone's health app that gives ambulance crews and other emergency services fast access to potentially life saving information about any allergies or medical conditions you may have, even if your iPhone is locked. If you don't suffer from any health conditions, I'd still recommend enabling this feature because it can also provide other vital information about you to the emergency services, such as your blood type or who to contact in an emergency. All you have to do is launch the health app on your phone, tap on Medical ID on the screen, and under Emergency Access, toggle the Show When Locked switch to the on position. Make sure you perform this step, otherwise the emergency services won't be able to access your medical ID. Now go ahead and start adding some information to your medical ID card. Apart from your name and date of birth, the other types of information you can add in this section include medical conditions and medical notes, allergies and reactions, medications, blood type, so on and so on. Under the emergency contacts, tap the green plus sign to add someone from your contact list. Now just a note on this, you can add several people, but bear in mind that if you use the emergency SOS feature on your iPhone's lock screen, all emergency contacts receive a message alerting them of the SOS and your location. For each emergency contact you add, select an option from the list that best describes your relationship to that person, example, mother or doctor, so on. Tap done in the top right of the screen when you're finished, and if you decide against keeping a medical ID record, then edit mode includes a delete medical ID option at the very bottom. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, then why not subscribe to my channel. You guys have been watching and listening to Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech. Peace.